name's Zaki, and today we're going to be making tissue paper roll flowers. Welcome to Azaki Dreams. Azaki Dreams, Azaki Dreams, come make arts with Azaki Dreams. Dream it, make it, and you can have it. To make this, we need tissue paper rolls, twigs, glue gun, glue sticks, scissor, compass, pencil and eraser, and a ruler. To start with, take a tissue paper roll and then flatten it. After you flatten it, then you have to cut one side only. Then take a bowel or a compass and draw a circle. You can draw the circle the size you like, and you have to make 4 of these. Cut out these circles. And you might be wondering what we're going to be making with these. We're going to be making a flower. Now, to make the petals of the flower, we need to make some markings. First, fold it in half equally. Then, fold it in half again. Now, open it and then fold one side to the midline and then do the same to the other. Now open it up after you give it a good press. Now you should get some cones like this. Now cut on the marking we made, but not all the way through. Now do it with the other 3. Now we have to make it into a petal shape. For that, first take your scissors, approximately find the middle, and then cut a curve, and then do that all around. And then turn it around, and then do it again. Now, to make it a 3D petal, we have to fold it from the tip to the center with all of the sides. Now do it with all the circles. Now we're going to stick the petals together using the glue gun. This is how the flower looks like. Now we need to make the inside of the flower. Take another tissue paper roll, flatten it, cut one side and then open it. We need to make 4 strips. 2 of those strips should be 1 centimeter by 13 centimeter, and the other 2 should be 2 centimeter by 13 centimeter. Let's cut the 1 centimeter strips like this. Now, cut the 2 centimeter one into V shapes or teeth, shark teeth. Now let's glue the 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter strips together. To make this look natural, we're gonna bend the 2 outer layers outside and the 2 inner layers inside. Now let's glue the inside to the flower. Our flower is ready. Now we have to make the leaves. Now take another tissue paper roll, squish it, and then draw a leaf. And then cut it out. I've made a few flowers and some leaves. And now, let's assemble. Since this is wall hanging, I'll be using a canvas and I'll be assembling it on that. I've already painted it, see? It's your choice. You can paint it a lot like how you want, or you can just leave it blank. Now let's assemble. You can use sticks like these or twigs. It's upon you. Finally, our wall piece is ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.